looking for a machine that's going to give you quality, consistency, uptime, runtime, and allow you to make money, understanding what that machine is great at, the J-Press, there's nothing like it. Our business model has pretty much been the same since 1978. We serve the client. We understand that our clients are the reason we're in business, and we tend to try to bring them things that are innovative. Fuji would, come back to us and say, well, you're gonna have an 80% uptime. Okay, well, that 80% uptime ended up being 95% uptime. Registration on the 750 is remarkable. It is incredible. It allowed us to take and finally not have to send something to our clients, our designers, and say, hey, designing for digital, you cannot use 2-point type. You cannot use 4-point type. Guess what? Now you could do whatever you want to do.
Running auction books and things like that of higher quality, it's nice to run on the J-Press given the quantities that we're running are very cost effective and the quality is unsurpassed.
What we did, the first test we had given Fuji was we had given them a book, and 3 months later gave them the same book. And to our surprise, gray balance was incredible. We deal a lot in gray balance. We deal with soft pastels, we deal with everything what I call is the heartache printing. The printing that's going to cause problems. Everybody says, well, how does it handle variable? Well, books are all variable because you can't marry page 1 with page 4 or page, they have to stay in sequential order. So that became a real sweet spot for us because we realized that we could run book blocks out, drop a cover on there, cut, and we're done. The crossovers are very critical today. When you're looking at furniture, when you're looking at fashion, when you're looking at automotive, you're looking at a car that gets sliced in half and you have to make sure both sides are the same. We don't have to work as hard to achieve that off the J-Press. It automatically does that. We have a huge agency and design firm clientele, and they're very picky. Okay, so when I send them something down to look at as a proof, a one-off proof, they expect it to look just like that. So due to the consistency now, I don't have to have color okays. Basically what happens is I send it to them, they say okay, I run, and I know I'm gonna give them exactly what they okayed. And it's gonna be consistent from print 1 to print 5,000.
Honestly, I've never seen anything else like it off a press. The consistency is unmatched.
We're running 2 shifts. We run anywhere between 8 and 24 hours. For the most part, we do have a third person that we could slide in there. But what we find is inkjet loves to run, so we tend to not want to, give it breaks. We tend to just run, and try to, run it for 20 to 24 hours. You're looking at an operator, look at somebody that's a little bit technical, mechanical, meaning from the perspective of feeding a machine. Secondly, you could look at a candidate that's motivated that could run 2 of these. I always say my operator, he has a lot of time to really get better at his video games because he has time because the machine is so intelligent in the sense that it runs from a technical aspect. It's not breaking down. If I give you an analogy, it's like an airline pilot. The airplane flies itself, and he's there just in case something goes awry. When you understand what the technology does and how it'll impact your business, it sells itself.